In this video, I'm going to show you how to find coworkers in BambooHR. To begin, log into your BambooHR account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on People from the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This section allows you to see everyone in your organization. Here, you'll find a complete list of all employees along with their basic information, such as their job title and the name of their manager. If you click on any employee's name, you can view the same details on their profile page. If you are searching for a specific person, you can use the search box located at the top of the page. For example, you can type the name of your manager to find their profile and view their details easily. Now, if you're unsure who your manager is, you can quickly check that as well. Simply click on My Info from the left-hand side menu to go to your profile page. Here, scroll down slightly and you will see the name of your manager. Once you know your manager's name, return to the People section to find your coworkers. Within the People section, you'll notice a Group by drop-down menu. Using this, you can organize the employee list by specific categories such as department or location. For instance, if you choose a particular department, only the employees belonging to that department will be shown together. In addition to this, you'll see another drop-down menu over here. Click on it and select My Circle. This option filters the view to show only your immediate circle of coworkers. Here, you'll see everyone who reports to the same manager as you do. For example, you'll see your manager listed, followed by your coworkers who share the same reporting structure. You can view each of their names, positions, and contact information, and if they have added any social media links, those will also appear along with their profile pictures. This makes it easy to connect with your team members and learn more about the people you work with. And that is how you can find and view your coworkers in BambooHR.